What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, the home of the #1 stock market trading and investing channel on all of YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of my top penny stocks to buy right now. I just loaded the boat on this innovative, disruptive BioTech penny stock that reminds me a lot of a penny stock that just made a 500% move in just the last couple of weeks. We're back in the studio, back from vacation. We took the elevator down 30 floors beneath my kitchen to the Touchdown Trades trading bunker and studio. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this trade that I just put on this penny stock that I see a ton of potential in. It is an innovative, disruptive penny stock that solves a problem for its customers. Much easier to sell a product when it's solving a problem, and this penny stock does just that. They're bringing some new technology into the biotech space. I see tons of potential with this stock. Let's break it down. But before we get started, do me a favor and consider hitting that subscribe button. We talk about the hottest stocks in the stock market every single day. Go ahead and do me a solid and hit that like button as well. And if you like free money, check out the link in the description to my broker Webull. They've partnered up with the channel and they're giving you guys free money, 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. You can't beat that deal. All right, let's break down this penny stock that I just loaded the boat on. Let's get it. Check out the free trial, link in the description to the private Discord chat where you get my buy and sell alerts in real time. On Friday, I sent out an options trade for Riot. We cleaned up this morning on that. I also sent out a penny stock swing trade this morning. So come trade with me, try it out free, link in the description. The penny stock we're gonna be breaking down in today's video, the penny stock that I just bought $15,000+ worth of, is this ticker symbol NTEC, NTEC Pharma, a biotech company that is coming to market with some crazy innovative, disruptive technology, the kind of stock we love, tons of growth potential. I loaded the boat here this morning at about $5.60 a share. Right here, it has since ran up a little bit, but I think this thing has way more gas left in the tank. I think it has a ton of potential. I think if we can get back over $9 a share, this thing is really off to the races. The innovative product that is coming to market with solves a problem for its customers, making it way easier to sell. It's easier to sell if you're solving a problem. It actually reminds me a lot of Sensonics, the company that's coming out with the diabetes monitor so you don't have to prick your fingers every 5 minutes if you're a diabetic. The company NTEC reminds me a lot of Sens, and I think we could see a similar move from this stock. Let's break down the business model, the fundamentals, then we'll come back and look at the chart, and I'll give you guys my price targets, where I got in and where I'm gonna get out with my profit target. So NTEC Pharma is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing drugs based on its proprietary accordion pill. The company's accordion pill is an oral drug delivery system that is designed to improve the efficiency and safety of medications already on the market. So this is their accordion pill right up here. Typically, when you take a pill or a tablet, you're just taking powder, and that medication is taken orally and it just hits you like that. It's either administered too fast, meaning it hits you too quick, or it's too slow. The accordion pill is different because instead of putting a powder into the capsule, you're putting the medication on this film. And the film allows the medication to dissolve evenly and be digested into the body at a better rate. So instead of either hitting you all at one time, the medication can dissolve slower and act more efficiently, or it can dissolve faster than some current already slower release tablets on the market. This innovative drug delivery system has a number of unique advantages based on its gastric retentive properties. With the accordion pill, drug is released slowly in the stomach over hours, allowing the body to absorb it more steadily. When the pill is done, it simply dissolves in the GI tract. So with current tablets and capsules, you have narrow absorption windows, you have poor solubility, meaning they don't dissolve correctly, and they act locally in the stomach, meaning the medication is digested into the stomach and you don't get the right effects from the medication. We have the accordion pill, the capsule dissolves, leaving just the film which has the medication on it. Then the film slowly dissolves and you get an even steady absorption. Think about how many medications are on the market that could benefit from this kind of technology. This company doesn't even need to come out with their own drug. They don't need to go through all these clinical BS drug trials. They just need to get this capsule to market and then get one big deal with one big pharmaceutical company, and they're going to the moon. They don't even need their own drug. They can just improve the absorption of one big drug on the market, and this company has huge upside potential. They're also getting in the MJ and CBD space. We know that it's going to be a growing space over the next few years, as the government is probably going to be more attracted towards legalization than the previous administration. That is giving more market opportunity for NTEC Pharma. We already have tons of medications on the market that can benefit from this technology. You add the MJ space and it's just more potential market share for this stock. All right, so they've already partnered up with Merck. Merck is a huge biopharmaceutical company, and they've partnered up with Merck, and they're testing this accordion pill on some of Merck's drugs. So if this accordion pill does what it says it does and helps Merck's drugs become more effective, and they sign a deal with Merck, we're talking about an extremely undervalued stock. If they get one deal with one of these big companies, it's all over, and this stock is headed way higher. They are currently in a phase 3 program with a Parkinson's drug. They also have a phase 1 trial with an MJ drug. So we've already got trials in the pipeline with their accordion pill. I see tons and tons of potential with this technology. All right, so here's how it works. With the typical drug, you're either getting way too much drug delivered right away or not enough drug delivered fast enough. With the accordion pill, it's more of a streamlined effect. You're getting that absorption into the body at a more even rate. Instead of the capsule dissolving, all that powder getting entered into your bloodstream right away, you're getting a slow, steady release. The accordion capsule dissolves and outer layers facilitate unfolding mechanisms of the film. So the pill is swallowed, goes into the GI tract. The capsule, the outer capsule, then dissolves, leaving just the film. Then the film begins to dissolve, but unlike normal capsules and pills, tablets, whatever, you get a more steady release of the medication. We can see the blue dots representing the medication at a more even release rate. Biodegradable polymeric films, which combine drugs and inactive ingredients, FDA approved, keyword, laminated into planar structure. So here we have a close-up image of what the films look like. This technology is absolutely crazy. I love looking at companies that are disruptive, because even if this product doesn't work, you're investing in a company that is doing something different. And it's just not for slower release drugs. They can do immediate release, controlled release, delayed/immediate release. So they are checking the box on both ends of the spectrum. If you need a fast acute release, they got you down. If your drug needs a slow delayed release, they got you. If you need a half fast release, half slow release, they got you. That's the difference between this drug and some current tablets out there that are already delayed release. With this film, you could put half of it with immediate release, and you could do the other half delayed release. That is crazy technology. So the Parkinson's test is in phase 3. We have MJ treatments for pain in phase 1, and we also have another CBD phase trial in phase 1. We also have the Merck partnership. It is in the research phase. If they get that Merck deal, we're talking about an undervalued stock. Some huge bullet points we need to go over. 40% of the top 200 major market drugs are poorly soluble, meaning they don't dissolve correctly. You take them and they're not doing what they're supposed to do because they dissolve either too fast or too slow. If NTEC can partner up with one of these 200 major drugs on the market, it's all over, game over. So there are tons of potential customers that can benefit from this accordion pill. Here's some information on the Merck research collaboration. So it achieved what it was supposed to do, and Merck decided to advance to a phase 1 study. That is absolutely massive news. This NTEC reminds me of Sensonics. Sensonics makes sense to investors. They're coming out with this diabetes sensor. The stock has made a huge 500% move. Why? Because investors see the potential with the technology. The product makes the customer's life easier. Investors see the potential and they bought the hype. And I think a similar move could happen with this NTEC. I got the Sensonics chart pulled up, and I think this is a very similar chart. We're right here in that bull flag in Sensonics. You had that first move up, it pulled back, then you broke out, had another move out, bull flag, and then it broke out of that. If we look at the NTEC chart, the chart looks kind of similar to Sensonics, right? You're getting that breakout, pullback, bull flag, and we're getting the opportunity to buy the dip. And I did just that. I bought right here at $5.60, and I'm going to be holding, looking for that breakout of the bull flag and go to the moon. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you got something from it. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button for me. It tells YouTube that these videos do provide value and helps to promote my channel to other like-minded traders and investors out there. If you're new, consider subscribing. Check out the link in the description to the free trial to the private Discord chat where you can come get my buy and sell alerts in real time. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.